What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back again with another video giving you an update on my sales this week. Um, I've been sloughing the last couple days to make content, but I owe you guys some videos, and I definitely got some stuff coming for y'all today. I don't know if I'm plan the videos out to be tomorrow or just today, but I'm definitely about to get some videos done today for some content for you guys. So without further ado, this is what it's looking like this week. Um, two sales off of getting to tier 1000. Um, it's been real inconsistent, like this. I got 7 one day, then 0 the next day. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just never know. So this is my numbers for this week. I got 37 sales this month. My royalties are a little lower this month because remember I told you guys I was putting all of the prices to my unsold shirts down to 1307 base price, trying to get some new shirts ranking going into tier 1000, and getting everything deleted that doesn't need to be here. And so yeah, that's how it's going this week. I'll go into the analytics. Let's go this month. All right. So this is what this month has been looking like. It's weird. I have these 2-7 ones, and then they always go down to like net. Like, it's just, you never know, man. You just never know. You just upload and hope. Really. There's a lot of luck involved in this, I swear. Um, You never know when somebody owns a store and they buy 10 of your shirts. That shit happens to me sometimes. You just never know. You just got to keep uploading, and think of your merch account as a stock portfolio. You want to diversify and, you know, just keep adding to it, okay? So we got 37 sales, only made $78. Average royalties to 11. Um, Average a day, almost $5. My record day was 7 sales. I did it 2 times this month. I'm just so excited for tier 1000. What's to come. Um, Standard t-shirts are my bread and butter. Um, Really, I haven't been trying at all to do Apple cases and pop sockets, to be honest. Like, when I have designs that, sell, I always upload to all of the products. But, well, all the products that sell for me. Um, and lately, these been going. I don't know if it's because there's a new iPhone out or, it's just, I don't know. So I'm gonna start testing, you know, out the Apple cases coming up here soon. Um, it's good thing to do is just keep testing, keep testing, keep testing. You'll find out what doesn't work and what works. Um, it just helps you on your journey. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what happens. Um, Men fit type is my bread and butter. Um, like I said, I'm a tomboy, and I guess I don't have the woman swag, so I always get sales in the men fit types. So now that I know that, and I have the data to back that up, I don't really make V-necks and shit anymore because they never sell for me. So if you know that about yourself, you know that about, your analytics, then you want to go with what your analytics say and not what you think, because the analytic is the proof in the pudding, okay? Black is always number one, top color. Navy, then white and blue, then for so on, so on. Um, some of these shirts, like my higher price ones, are from my clothing line, which I realize that I need to be charging a lot more for those because the traffic that I'm getting is kind of like, hey, all my stuff's online, go buy my shirts, my clothing brands, this and that. They don't really give a fuck. I don't know why I'm pricing it like I'm trying to get organic traffic with my other shirts. So that's one thing that I want to do, to sit down and change all of those. Um, so yeah, man, if you guys want to start a brand, it really does help a lot when it comes to organic traffic. So in my account, I have, I'm selling my brand and I have random shirts and random stuff, in different niches. So it's great for me, So like when my sales are slipping, as far as the organic traffic, then I grind harder, on my Instagram and, my other marketing schemes, which I'm gonna make a video about, um, some marketing schemes that I heard no channel. I literally sat here all day and watched a lot of popular channels, and they ain't gonna tell you about the marketing schemes I have. So I'm gonna definitely do a video on that. Um, but yeah, this is what it's looking like for this month, guys. Let's get back here. So I'm 2 sales off. I promise you guys I will make a video as soon as I hit 500 sales, letting you guys know that I am now eligible for tier 1000, letting you guys know my game plan. And yeah, but if you like this content and other videos like this, just like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what other kind of content you guys want, what will help you. I have no problem with, listening to the requests, because you guys are my audience, so I want to give y'all what, what the audience wants. So just let me know what kind of content you guys want, and I'll make sure I tackle that and get you guys some good time content. But hey, yeah, you guys have a blessed day, get to the money, and don't forget to subscribe.